Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad for business. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 500 grams of cooked elbow macaroni, 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, and a half cup of condensed milk for sweetness. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of finely diced carrots, 1/4 cup of diced celery, and 1/4 cup of diced red onion. Don't forget a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. This simple list ensures a delicious and easier to prepare salad. Now let's get cooking. Start by boiling your 500 grams of elbow macaroni until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Once cooked, drain it well and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process and prevent sticking. While the macaroni cools, finely dice your 1/4 cup of carrots, 1/4 cup of celery, and 1/4 cup of red onion. Uniform pieces ensure every bite is balanced and appealing for your customers. It's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, combine your cooled, drained macaroni with the finely diced carrots, celery, and red onion. Next, add 1 full cup of your favorite mayonnaise and a half cup of condensed milk for that perfect balance of creaminess and sweetness. Gently fold all the ingredients together until every piece is evenly coated. Give it a quick taste test and adjust with a pinch of salt and pepper if desired, ensuring a consistent flavor profile. Finally, for the best flavor, cover your macaroni salad and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This crucial step allows all the delicious flavors to meld beautifully, making it even more enjoyable. When ready to sell, portion the salad into attractive, individual containers. For storage, keep any unsold portions in an airtight container in the fridge, where it will stay fresh for up to 3 days. This easy method ensures a consistently delicious product for your business.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.